Top 5 print on demand niche research of the week, episode 45. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where I teach you how to make money on life fast and easy. In this video, I'm going to give you top 5 niches, although they are not 5 anymore. I just usually do pick a bunch of niches that I think are great and are doing quite well. So they're usually more than 5, but I'm just going to say 5, top 5 niches of the week. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So this one I had to put it first. It's so funny, I couldn't leave it for last. This ones are usually bonus niches, but I'm gonna put this bonus niche as the first. It's so funny, guys. It says uke, as in ukele. That is the guitar telling the ukulele that I am your dad or I'm your father, and the ukulele is like, no. So when I saw it, it caught my attention, guys. It was just so funny. And this is the Spanish marketplace, and although it's in English, that's why I tell you guys that although your designs are in English, don't hesitate to upload it in other marketplaces, because there are other people like in France, there are other people in France or in Spain that speak English. For example, if I migrated today to maybe Spain, I speak primarily English, and if I want to purchase a shirt, I'll obviously purchase a shirt that has an English saying or an English design, because that's what I understand, as opposed to maybe a Spanish shirt which I don't understand what is on it. So don't hesitate to upload your designs, even though they're in English, to other marketplaces. So this is a great example. It says, okay, I'm your father, and the ukulele is like, no. So just so funny, I had to put it on you guys' radar. And overall trend is up, current trend is up, as you can tell. Who wouldn't want such a funny design, guys? It's really awesome. It's priced 1949 euros, and has over 34 sales, no reviews here. That shows that it's a new shirt. Alright, that was niche number 1. Let's go to the next niche. Niche number 2 is this gamer Christmas tree t-shirt with gifts under the tree. So it's a gift primarily for gamers. You know, there's a huge community of gamers, and this shirt will be great for them. So I've seen even Christmas tree, a pizza Christmas tree, you know, a slice of pizza, right? Yeah, I've seen Christmas lights wrapped around it with the star overhead. So I've even seen cats, I've seen dogs, I've seen the T-Rex Christmas tree. So your Christmas tree can be anything, guys. So this one is made up of controllers with gifts at the bottom, and this is in a German marketplace. It has over 8 sales, price 19.99 euros. And let's go down. So overall trend is up, although you see it dropped, and although you see that it dropped here, but that's a fall in the BSR. Don't let that deter you. So it has been selling for a while, then it's projected to increase again. So but overall trend is up. And we're gonna move to the next niche. Next niche is this dabbing Christmas characters. We've got the elf, Santa, Rudolph, a penguin. I've even seen some other characters replaced, so it's really up to you what you want to do. Generally, I've noticed that dabbing shirts sell better than a regular Santa, you know, standing there. But dabbing, people who are dabbing there, it sells better. And it's priced at $19.99, over 402 reviews, 283 sales. Let's quickly move to the next niche. This one is Turkeysaurus Rex. So it's a mixture between T-Rex, turkey. Yes, a mixture between Thanksgiving turkey and a T-Rex. So it's an awesome design. Whoever thought about this? Dinosaur designs really sell. I've noticed that if you're a great designer, any niche that you mix with T-Rexes, they always sell. I don't know what it is about T-Rexes, but They're great designs. You see this one that mixed it between um, Thanksgiving. I've seen some that have mixed it, obviously Christmas, they've mixed it with, I've seen ones that this Santa riding on the T-Rex. I've seen one that is a snowman on the T-Rex, penguins on the T-Rex, elves on the T-Rex. So there's really an endless way to cross niche between T-Rexes and other holidays. Next niche is this veteran shirt. So I did a search. I was like, when is Veterans Day? So unfortunately, it's like 3 days away. Today's the 8th, so it's like 3 days away. And although we're doing Prime, so people can purchase their shirt today and they get it in 2 days. So don't let that deter you from uploading your shirts if you haven't. But this one is, it came on my radar, so I had to just put it out there. And it says he's just not a veteran. He's not just a veteran, he's my dad. So you can also say he's not just a veteran, he's my brother. He's just not a veteran, or she's just not a veteran, she's my sister. She's not just a veteran, she's my mother. You see, that's how you can scale this design. So before I go ahead, this one has over 61 sales, 57 reviews, price 19.97. And let's quickly go to the next niche so I don't waste time. I think I've shown you guys this dabbing turkey before, and I said we can do a bunch of dabbing characters. We can do dabbing turkey. For the Thanksgiving, we can do dabbing Santa, as we've already seen before. Santa and his friends. We can also do dabbing in general is a very awesome niche. So things that designs that I've noticed that sell well, there's a dabbing, there's a T-Rex, there's a sunset. If you cross niche these three with any other designs, I've seen that they sell better. So just let you guys know, if you know how to design and include all these three, that would be awesome. And this is priced $13.99, over 384 reviews, 614 sales. Moving on, we have this one. It's just a unique design, quite different from the others I've seen, and it says Mr. So if maybe you're a couple, this, you could do a couple shirt. You could do maybe Mr. and the next shirt you could do Mrs. You know, and you could just add other things there if you want. Maybe you could also do maybe dad, mom, brother, sister, uncle in here. And it's just what came to mind. If you can do that, that would be awesome. And this is in the France marketplace. It has just one review and over 204 sales. That shows that it's actually trending. So let me go down, scroll down, and you see, look at that. I thought as much. Look at that. So it just fell down here, and it's projected to approach 1. That means people are actually loving this design, and it's actually a great design, guys. So moving on to the next niche is this turkey. It says pour some gravy on me. It's also a funny niche, and it's in the US marketplace. And I don't know what it is about gravy, guys. I've tasted gravy. I really don't know why people love it so much. Although it's nice, but maybe it's the one that I tasted. But it wasn't awesome and it wasn't bad. It was just normal. But it seems like people really love gravy. I don't know. Guys, let me know in the comment section below if you love gravy. So this design is quite awesome. Big text, yellow right here on white. So it's a, big designs or big text on designs you sell too. So this is another funny design that many people are getting. They're rushing to get it because it's funny, and who doesn't love funny t-shirts? So it's priced $17.99, 126 sales, 77 reviews. Let's take a look at the BSR. Look at this. I expected this. Overall trend is up, current trend is up. Overall, funny designs do well. If you can think of something that is funny and you make it share out of it, it's guaranteed to sell. Everyone just needs to laugh once in a while. So let's go to our last pick of the day. It's also this Santa shirt. We have the Rudolph, Santa, the elf, Ginger, and the snowman. So it's similar to this design. Let's compare them together. This one is in the German marketplace, and this one is in the .com marketplace. So I'm guessing this person just made a similar design to this design, because this one shows that it has been up for a while. It has more sales history, and this one, let's see, let's scroll down. Yeah, current trend up. But generally, guys, these dabbing shirts or dabbing designs are they sell very well. So upcoming, let's take a look at the calendar. Let's see what is upcoming. So Veterans Day, of course, I already mentioned this. It's on Thursday the 11th, and upcoming is Thanksgiving. Then you have the Native American Heritage. If you haven't started making your Native American Heritage shirts, you should definitely do that. You know, there was a Black History Month. There was an Asian History Month, if I'm not mistaken. Now there's a Native American History Month. So guys, this is a very, very huge niche, this one right here, for all the Native American heritage, people of Native American heritage. They're going to be looking for shirts to celebrate their month. So this will be very, very, it's going to be a huge niche. You guys should not you guys should put your t-shirt before it's too late. Okay guys, if you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about Print on Demand and KDP, this is the channel for you. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you on the next one.